Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about LCM, that is lowest common multiple, and how to find the LCM. So how to find the LCM of decimal number? First see these numbers and find that after the decimal point there is 3 number and this is the maximum number after decimal. So multiply each number with 1000. So we will get 1 to 5, here 5, 0, 0, and here we will get 250. Now LCM of this number you have to find. The easiest way to find the LCM, I am telling you that first find out the biggest number among this number. See, the 500, it is biggest than the other numbers. Then see, this number, it is divisible by the other two numbers. We know that 500 is divisible by 125 and 250, so the LCM will be 500. If in case the biggest number is not divisible by the other number, then multiply that biggest number with 2 and then check is it divisible. If not, then multiply with 3. Like if it is not divisible by this, first multiply this with 2. If it is not divisible, then multiply this with 3 and so on. Okay. See, you get the LCM of these 3 number, but remember you first multiply these 3 numbers with 1000. Now you have to divide this number with 1000. So you will get 0.5 and it is the LCM. See some important points. First is the least number which when divided by A, B, C respectively then leaves the remainder k. So the least number will be LCM of A, B, C plus the remainder k. So here is the example. Find the least number which when divided by 24, 32 and 42 respectively then leaves the remainder 5. What is the least number? First you have to find out the LCM of 24, 32 and 42. So first we divide these 3 numbers in prime factors. We can write this like 3 into 2 to the power 3. This like 2 to the power 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is like this. So the LCM will be 7 into 2 into 3 base with maximum power, so 2 to the power 5. So this will be 6, 7, 2. This is the LCM, so the least number will be LCM plus the remainder. So the least number will be LCM plus the remainder is 5. So the number will be 6, 7, 7. The second is the least number which when divided by ABC leaving remainder PQR respectively. So the least number will be LCM of ABC minus K, where K is A minus P, B minus Q and C minus R. This 3 is equal. So there is an example. Find the least number when divided by 18, 35 and 42, leaving the remainder 2, 19 and 26 respectively. Find the least number. So first you have to do the LCM of these three numbers 18, 35 and 42. So first divide these numbers into prime factors. So 18 is this, we can write this 2 into 3 square. So the LCM of 18, 35 and 42, it will be 7, 5, 3, 2. Maximum power is this. So it will be 630. Okay. Now subtract 2 from 18, 19 from 35 and 26 from 42. You will get the same number. It is 16. See, this is the K. So the least number will be LCM of these three numbers. It is 630 and minus K. So minus 16. It will be 614. This is the answer. Third point is, for any two given numbers, product of the two numbers is always equal to product of their HCF and their LCM. See here, there are two numbers 12 and 6. The product of these two numbers is 72. So the HCF of these two numbers is 12. We can write 2 into 2 into 3, and 6 we can write 2 into 3. So this is 2 square into 3. This is 2 into 3. So HCF will be common base with minimum power, that is 2 into 3 6, and LCM will be each base with maximum power, that is maximum power is 2. So we get 12. So now multiply this LCM into HCF. You will get 6 into 12. It is 72.